Organ transplantation, uh, it is the implantation of an organ or a tissue from one part of the body to another. It may take place within the same person, that is from one person to the one part of our body to to some other part, or it may be that another person is involved. The one person is donor, so donor donates the organ or tissue to another person. The person who receives the organ is called a recipient. The one who gives it is called a, or donates it is called the donor. So it is the implantation of an organ or tissue from one part of the body to another, or from one person to another, that is the recipient. But before going for this organ transplantation or tissue transplantation, few essentials include tissue matching and blood group matching. So when a surgeon or the doctor administers this transplantation, they have to ensure that tissue matches and also the blood group, and only then this graft transplant will take place. A patient has to take suppressants all his life or her life subsequently. Now, the body is able to differentiate self and non-self, and the cell-mediated immune response is responsible for the graft rejection. At times, we find that a body rejects a particular transplant. So why it happens? Because body able to differentiate between self and non-self. Now, the success of tissue and organ transplant, uh, there's a mistake, spelling mistake here, so kindly correct it. The success of tissue and organ transplants depends on the donors and recipients' human leukocytes antigens called HLA, encoded by the HLA. Uh, the genes for the HLA, that is human leukocyte, like leukocytes antigens, proteins, are clustered in the major histocompatible complex MHC, and this complex is located on short arm of chromosome 6. If you see chromosome 6, it looks something like this. So on this chromosome 6, we find that, but let us see what is this human leukocyte antigen system. Now this human leukocyte antigen, that is HLA system, it is a gene complex encoding the major MHC proteins in humans. So here we find that a gene complex is encoding for these MHC proteins in humans. These cell surface proteins are responsible for the regulation of the immune system in humans. The HLA gene complex resides on a 3 mbp stretch within chromosome 6p21. So if you see this chromosome, that is number 6 here, human chromosome 6, it has got two arms. This is a shorter arm, this is P, and this is a Q arm here. So this is P and this is Q, and somewhere here we find, somewhere here are located these genes. So this place, and subsequently they are responsible for this stretch is about 3 megabyte P, 3 mbp, mega, not correction megabyte, but it's mega base. So one mega base or one mega base pair is equal to 1 million base pairs. So when we talk of one mega base, so one mega base pair is equal to 1 million base pairs. So HLA genes are highly polymorphic. They have got different alleles, in fact, because of their polymorphic nature. So because of this polymorphic nature, they fine tune the adaptive immune system. The proteins encoded by certain genes are also known as antigens as a result of their historic discovery uh, as factors in organ transplants. So different classes have been have different functions, but we will not be going further into this detail here. Here the basically we will just confine our discussion to this part only. So important areas which should attend our, which should have our focus is that human leukocyte antigen system is a gene complex encoding the major MHC proteins in humans and located in chromosome 6. It resides that is the 3 mbp stretch within chromosome uh, 6, and that is somewhere in the P region. So with the students, I finished more or less important parts on this organ transplantation, and this also brings this session to an end. For detailed notes, you may refer to the place where already has been mentioned that for notes. Thank you for your stay with me. Thank you.